Good day, Internet. This is Josh with Adventures of Acrophile coming to you today with a video. Today I'm actually going to be talking about all my recording devices that I use to do a blog when I'm on my motorcycle. Currently, the camera that I'm holding right now on a selfie stick is actually the Gopro Hero 7 Black. This is the GoPro that I initially ended up purchasing to do all my videoing, and I learned how to get into making videos and how to set up stuff inside the cameras. GoPro is a pretty good product. Obviously, this is not going to be a review. This is not going to be a review of the GoPro, but I'm just sharing what I actually utilize when I do my videoing. Now, around my GoPro Hero 7 Black, I actually have a harness from Ulanzi that actually and I had to purchase a battery pack to be able to run my audio into my GoPro. Next thing, when I'm on my motorcycle, I've got my Shoei helmet, and I recently purchased the GoPro Hero 9, and I ended up buying the media harness that actually goes, it's like $79.99, sold separately from the GoPro Hero 9 Black. And then I also have ordered at least 2 orders from Panda, which you can see in the link below as well. I'm going to link all this stuff so that you can see it below. But Panda actually supplies all the audio links and stuff that you would need to make audio capable to be utilized with the GoPros. But this is my main video camera, the GoPro Hero 9. And then whenever you see on the bike, when you see I'm on the bike and you have a video that's facing towards me, looking at my face, it's actually the GoPro Hero 7 Silver. This was my second camera that I had purchased about 1.5 years ago, just to be able to pick up extra footage and stuff, other ground shots, different angles. Didn't have as many functionality options as the GoPro Hero 7 Black has that I'm recording with right now, but it did the job. I set it up to 4K at 30 frames per second, which is the same as 29.97 frames per second. All of my cameras I set up at that same 4K, 30 frames per second. But then I recently ended up purchasing this mount that goes on the base of the mirror from Gold Strike, and it comes with this whole kit, all but the harness. So this whole kit, you can purchase more than one, and you can mount these anywhere there's a screw, and you can get multiple ones. I only have one on the left side of the bike, and this is where I've been mounting my GoPro Hero 7 so that you can see a frontal pic and just add a different perspective to the motorcycle itself as far as the rides. Now, the one thing that I would like to do, not only have one on that side of the bike, but I'd like to have one here as well so that I can catch both angles, both sides. And at some point with these armrests that I've also purchased from Gold Strike, this actually removes, this rubber plug removes, and you can actually, they make a mount that you can stick in here, and I would like to get one of those so I could run a different perspective camera from there. Now, I'm not going to go into using the 3M stuff and just sticking it to random portions of the bike. I like to try to keep the bike as clean as possible, so that I don't, make it look trashed up with a bunch of stuff that doesn't belong on it. Well, that's pretty much it for today's video. I appreciate y'all joining me today. If you have any questions to ask about these items, feel free to drop it in the comment section below. I usually respond to any comments I get within 24 to 48 hours, and hope to hear from you. If you like videos like this, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I've noticed on my subscription status page that about 97% of the people viewing all my videos on this channel are not subscribed. So please just do me a favor and click that subscribe button. And for now, this is Josh with Adventures of Acrophile signing out. I appreciate y'all. Y'all be safe. Peace.